Somebody asked Ramana Maharishi, and he said, "Do you know what is the nature of mind?" He says, "Please tell us, what is the nature of mind?" This is after a lot of penance, he came up with this idea, this belief system. What is called mind is a wondrous power residing in the self. It causes all thoughts to arise. Apart from thoughts, there is no such thing as mind. Therefore, thought is the nature of mind. Apart from thoughts, there is no independent entity called the world. In deep sleep, there are no thoughts and there is no world. In the states of waking and dream, there are thoughts and there is a world also. Just as the spider emits the thread that's off the web out of itself and again withdraws it into itself, likewise, the mind projects the world out of itself and then again resolves it into itself. When the mind comes out of the self, the world appears. Therefore, when the world appears to be real, the self does not appear. And when the self appears, like shines, the world does not appear. When one persistently inquires into the nature of the mind will end leaving the self as the residue, which is referred to as the self, is the Atma. The mind always exits only in dependence on something gross. It cannot stay alone. It is the mind that is called the subtle body or the soul, Jiva. Thank you.